Infinix just can't stop expanding its Note 12 line. There is a vanilla model, a variant with the MediaTek Helio G96, a Note 12i, a Note 12 volts IP, which we recently did a hands-on review of, and the Note 12 Pro 5G. Last month the company promised to unveil the world's first MediaTek Helio G99 phone. Enter the new Infinix Note 12 Pro 4G, which just quietly made an appearance in an AliExpress listing. The Note 12 Pro 4G shares many specs with its 5G sibling, like the 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, the dual loudspeaker setup, the 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt charging, and its cameras setup with a 108 megapixels, f1.8 main snapper with dual 2-megapixel supplementary cameras, and 16-megapixel f2.0 selfie cam. Digging through the store listing, however, reveals some differences as well. If the measurements are current, the 4G model seems to be slightly thinner at 7.8mm. Some of its other features include NFC, 2 nano-SIM slots and a microSD one, as well as USB Type-C port and a 3.5mm audio jack. The biggest difference, of course, is the chipset swap to a MediaTek Helio G99. It is made on TSMC's 6nm, and features dual 2.2 GHz Cortex-A76 cores, and 6 2.0 GHz Cortex-A55 ones, plus a AMOLED G57MC2 GPU. Here it is paired with 8 GB of RAM, expandable to 13 GB via virtual RAM, and 256 GB of expandable storage. According to the listing, the Infinix Note 12 Pro 4G is available in gray or blue for $275, depending on whether you trust the image or the site itself. That seems a bit too steep to be the real MSRP, but if you wait a couple of days and pick the phone up from the seller between July 18 and 22, the price might be even lower at $199. Hit up the source link for details. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and see you soon.